What is the red area of the given square? Trigonometric identities, Pythagoras' theorem, area of a triangle and square. Basic arithmetic and algebraic processes are used to solve this question. Solution. Label points B, C, D, E, and G. Let angle DCE equals to theta, which equals to angle GBC. This implies that, since angle BCD equals 90 degrees, let length of line BC be equals to x, which equals to length of line CD. It is equals to length of line BC. From right triangle BCG, length of line CG divided by length of line BC equals to 3 divided by x, which equals to sine theta. We call it equation 1. Also, from right triangle CDE, length of line CE divided by length of line CD equals 5 divided by x, which equals to cosine theta. We call it equation 2. Divide equation 1 by equation 2. It follows that the ratio of 3 to x divided by the ratio of 5 to x equals to sine theta divided by cosine theta. This implies that 3 divided by 5 equals sine theta divided by cosine theta. After simplification, by trigonometric identity, sine theta divided by cosine theta equals tan theta. This follows that tan theta equals 3 divided by 5. We call it equation 3. Now, from right triangle CDE, length of line DE divided by length of line CE equals length of line DE divided by 5, which equals to tan theta. Substitute equation 3. Length of line DE divided by 5 equals 3 divided by 5. Cross multiply, we have that length of line DE equals 3 times 5, all divided by 5, which equals to 3. Therefore, the area of triangle CD equals half the product of length of line DE and length of line CE, which equals to half of 15 in square units. After simplification of substituted values, consider right triangle BCG. Length of line CG divided by length of line BG equals to tan theta, which equals to 3 divided by length of line BG. Substitute equation 3. 3 divided by length of line BG equals to 3 divided by 5. Cross multiply. We have that length of line BG equals to 5. The area of triangle BCG equals half the product of length of line CG and length of line BG, which equals to half of 15 in square units. After simplification of substituted values, the sum the two areas of the triangle S equals the sum of half of 15 and half of 15, which equals to 15 in square units. We call it equation T. Using Pythagoras' theorem in triangle BCG, we have that the square of x equals the sum of the square of length of line CG and the square of length of line BG, which equals to 34. After simplification of substituted values, hence, area of the square equals the square of x, which equals to 34 in square units. Therefore, the red area equals area of the square minus sum of the two areas of the triangle. That is, 34 minus 15, which equals to 19 square units.